Hello friend, welcome back to this info world and welcome back to this tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can get traffic to your website and blog, and there are many who create website or blog and they find very difficult to get traffic. So it's very good opportunity for beginners, those who are finding difficult to get traffic. I will show you the live proof in this video. What you have to do: if you are a blogger or creating new articles, you can post your articles, or you can add your blog post to this website, and you will get traffic from that website. I will show you how much traffic this website getting, and you can post your articles or blog post to UK based website. So let's get started now. Now you can see on your laptop screen, just open Google Chrome, click on it. Now you can see this is the website where you can add your articles or blog post or images, anything whatever you want to add. So what you have to do: once you post your article to this website, it will uh, get traffic to your website. Now I will show you how much traffic this website getting. Now you can see this website has got nearly 15,000 visitors per month. Now you can see this website graph has already gone down to 8.2k visitors. This is the traffic graph, and you can see the bonus rate 22.4.7 page per visit, 27.37 monthly visit. Now it has decreased to 3,500. If you are a beginner, if you are getting 3,000 also, it's very good traffic for your website. And you can see average visit duration 20 minutes 51 seconds. Now you can see, if you scroll down, now you can see this website ranking on these keywords. This is the top keywords on which this website is ranking, and this website is getting all these are cost per click. Now we'll speak to the ranking. This website has global rank 18,53,584, and this website is ranking in India. Now it has got 1,33,771 and category rank 173. Now you can see this is the geography by country, how many countries visiting this website. By you can see, you can check the map. So mostly in this website all visitors coming from India, it is 100%. Now you can see the traffic sources. This website is getting direct traffic 71.45%, and from Google or Bing search engine 18.74%, and from referral 8.01%, and display ad 1.68%, social media 0.06%, and by email 0.05%. So now you have already seen the traffic. It's very good traffic for beginners. Now I will show you how you can add your website to this website, and you will get traffic for free. You don't have to do any registration, absolutely free. a post. Now you can see on the top header post ad. Once you click on it, this post ad, it will take to next page. Now you can see here you can put titles, you can add little bit of description, and then here you can upload your images which you want to display on this website, and here you can put link or URL of your blog post, and you can select the category here and target city and name. Add owner name, you can put any name. Phone number not required. Add password, any password you can choose, and then fill with captcha, and then click on submit. Then your uh, blog post will be added to this website and you will be getting free traffic to your website. So I will show you one example. Let's say I have one blog post. This is my blog. I have created this blog, and this website is already approved by Google AdSense. Now you can see all these ads. So I will post one ad, and I will show you how you can add your blog post or website to this website. Let's say I will post this website. I will add this to that website. So what I will do, I will just click on it. It will take me to next page. From here, what I can do, I can copy this title, copy, go to that website. Here I can paste that title. Right click on from your mouse, click on paste. Now you can see the title already pasted here and little bit of description. So I will copy from that blog post. So I will copy this. Let's say I will copy till here. Now go back to that website, paste it here. Now I will select one image. So from here I will upload one image. So click on this choose file. Now I will upload this image, select it and click on open. Now you can see the image is already uploaded. Now scroll down. Now you have to add link of that post. So what I will do, go back to this website, then copy the link, copy, come back and add link here. Now link, the URL of that website is already added. Now I can select category. Let's say I will select any category. You can select your own category on which you have written your article. I cannot see my category, so I can select anyone. You can select your own. This is my category. Now target city, if you want, you can, or leave it blank if you don't want to set. If you select this category, it will show to that country or area. Now add owner name. So I will write anything which you want. Let's say I will write blog sport. This is just an example. Phone number is not required. If you want, you can put it. Email address is not required. Now you can see add password. Now you can see this is a red star. It is compulsory. So I will put random password. Now you can enter your captcha. Now everything is already added. Then click on submit button. Now it's showing error, failed to post your advertisement because of following error. Now you can see image width limitation is already exceeded. So what I will do, I will reduce the image pixels. Now I will go to my folder picture. I will click on edit. Then I will click on resize. Pixels, it is required 800. I will select 700. Okay. Then click on save. Now I will go back to this website. Now I will upload that image again. Open. Now I have already added. Now click on submit button. Now you can see my blog post is already added to this website. You can see the congratulations, you have posted the advertisement successfully, and your user ID is this and password is this. Your ad is activated already. Now this is already visible to those who are visiting this website, and once they visit in this website, they will, if they see my ad or if they like it, they will directly click on that link and they will directly visit to this website. Now I will show you. See, this will appear like this. If they find it, if anyone click on it, they will directly visit to my website. So I will click on this ad. It will directly, and in return you will be getting traffic to your website or blog post. In the same way, I hope you have understood all the complete process how to add your blog post to this website. If you are still not subscribed to my channel InfoWorlds, then please subscribe, like, share, and see you on the next video.